Relax and prepare to be amazed by these incredible natural disaster clips from across the globe. In this video, you'll experience rare and extraordinary moments like never before. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned until the end to see the full story unfold. This isn't just a landslide, it's a full-blown snow spectacular. Watch as the mountain unleashes a massive avalanche, sending snow cascading down like a giant fluffy cloud explosion. It's as if the mountain decided to put on a show, and trust us, you won't want to miss this icy performance. Looks like these cars have evolved. They're not just built to run anymore, now they're ready to swim. Talk about an uninvited guest. This flood didn't just knock on the door. It tore down the wall, barged right in, and turned this living room into a swimming pool within seconds. Nature's playing baseball, and this car's the target. A fierce hailstorm pelted it with ice balls. Talk about a rough inning. Just the perfect moment for everyone to brush up on their hide-and-seek skills. When a 7.0 earthquake hits, even the office turns into a playground of sorts. Stay safe and always be ready for the unexpected. Talk about a surprise. Just when they thought it was a peaceful drive, the mountain jumped into action, sending boulders flying like an action movie. Those cars got a turbo boost they didn't ask for. If you thought the ocean was just about gentle waves lapping at the shore, think again. This is the ocean's version of an extreme workout, massive waves crashing with full force. It's like an invitation to the ultimate giant wave surfing session where only the boldest dare to ride these wild waters. Did someone forget to keep an eye on their outdoor BBQ, or is this just Australia turning up the heat a notch? This blazing scene from the Australian bushfires looks like someone cranked the dial to max on the grill and walked away. Thankfully, the firefighters are here to cool things down. If you've never seen a river of fire in real life, here's your golden opportunity. This jaw-dropping footage from Iceland's Reykjanes Peninsula shows lava flowing like liquid gold from a fresh volcanic fissure. It's a sight that's equal parts mesmerizing and mind-blowing. These cars didn't sign up for a surfing competition, but it looks like they're in the thick of it anyway. Heavy rains turn city streets into rushing rivers, giving vehicles an unexpected chance to ride the waves. Ready or not? When snow decides to take over the streets, even the no parking signs have to admit defeat. This avalanche near Zermatt turned the road into a winter wonderland, but it's definitely not the kind you want to drive through. Let's hope this guy doesn't have a history of heart issues. That lightning strike was a close call, and it probably shaved a few years off his life. This town turned into a river overnight. Streets became waterways and cars started floating. This driver raced against the floodwaters and escaped just in time. Sometimes a quick exit is a victory lap. It's like the dolphins and penguins planned a synchronized swimming routine just for us. Who else thinks they should go pro? Is this tornado auditioning for the next big action movie? Because it's definitely got the dramatic entrance down. Forget foggy mornings. This sandstorm is taking visibility challenges to a whole new level. Time to play Where's the Road?